NCB, I shouldn't have to beg you for my money. However, me I beg you, please me I beg you, give me back my money. Cause me I go come down at the bank and me I go strip and go and bad. Una two thief now, una two thief. And as soon as una reimburse my money, I don't want to have nothing to do in the bank again. Cause I set a thief. Alright, boom, I got one easy access ATM. I attempt to withdraw $5,000. It has said me have insufficient fund. Me I say, oh, it has said me have insufficient fund and me have over $5,000 in that account there. Boom. I say, alright, I attempt to withdraw $2,000. It has said me have insufficient fund. Me I say, what the rest are going so? I say, alright then. So I go on with the machine and I don't know what. I have $34,000 on the card. So I say, you know what, I go try withdraw the entire $34,000. Because whatever I go on, I don't want to be a part of it. So I decide to take off all of my money off it. You can't tell me why to tell me say I don't have no money for my card. Anyway, boom, I call NCB. Them see where I attempt to withdraw $34,000. However, the money was not dispensed to me. And them asked me to give them 10 business days to get my money. I said then fine. Boom, I give them 12 business days. Right? I call them back. Them are gonna say the case not solved yet, and them are gonna escalate the case. Them are gonna send it over to them IT team. Them are gonna email them and whatever. And basically, them are gonna escalate the case, and it's gonna take 24 to 48 hours. I say, alright, then boom, we wait the 48 hours. I call them back. Them must say the case still not solved. Them say them are gonna escalate the case 24 to 48 hours again. I say, but oh, me call. The first time, the second time, and I'm gonna tell me 24 hours to 48 hours. I know you are telling me 28 hours to 24 hours, sorry, to 48 hours. She can't answer that, and she don't know, and all she can do is escalate the case. I said, alright then, she escalate the case. The second time, wait the 48 hours, call him back. Case still not solved. Every time them tell me for 24 hours to 48 hours, me give them the 48 hours. And this has been a month now. 1 month. Listen, NCB, we're not going too bad now. Me need my money. Me need my money. You know, some I feel better if somebody did stick me up and take on my $34,000. Would I feel better if somebody rob me? Like stick me up gunpoint and take my money. But uno a bank where people entrust with their money and not rob people. Uno not for do it. Uno two thief and me want my money.